Hello and a very good morning to you. Hope you're all keeping well. So for many of us, the weather today not looking too inspiring across the islands. If we take a look at the satellite and radar picture from earlier, you can see across the UK there's actually a good deal of sunshine today, but for us we've got a lot of cloud around and some outbreaks of rain, and it is staying that way as we go through the afternoon. So all in all, cloudy at times with spells of rain out there. Not too cold today though. We're looking at highs of around 9 or 10 degrees. Now, as we go through this evening and tonight, there may be a few clear spells out there, especially across parts of Jersey, so we may just see a touch of frost. But for most of us, again, we've got a lot of cloud around, some rain at times, lows there down to around 5 or 6 degrees. So tomorrow morning, a chilly start to the day first thing. Again, similar to today, so there will be cloud around, outbreaks of rain on and off as we go through the day, and those winds will start to strengthen too, this time coming in from a more easterly direction, so it's going to feel colder than what it has been out there today. We're looking at highs of around 7 or 8 degrees, but the good news is hopefully we'll get to see a little bit more in the way of brightness as we move towards the weekend, but still a few showers around at times. Bye bye. Hello again. Well, it's certainly going to be remaining cold as we go through the next few days. For the rest of today, well, there will be some cloud around at times and the chance of the odd shower, but for most of us, it should stay fine and dry today, bright or sunny spells. The winds are light, but the air is coming down from a northerly direction, so feeling cold today. Highs there inland up to around 4 or 5 degrees, 7 degrees out towards Newport. Now, as we move on through this evening and tonight, it will be dry at first with some clear skies, so we will see a frost, especially across northern parts, but thicker cloud across the south will bring some outbreaks of rain, and some of that could turn a little bit wintry in places. Bye bye. Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely day so far. Well, it's certainly going to be feeling pretty chilly as we go through the next few days. Some frost in places and some freezing fog. We're also going to see a little bit of rain as we go into Thursday too, but the good news is we are expecting much brighter conditions by Friday. So let's take a look at that in a bit more detail. We can see we have got low pressure systems down towards the south of us, and that's pushing this front towards us as we go through tonight and into tomorrow, which will bring some outbreaks of rain at times, and we'll start to see a change in wind direction too. It will become quite breezy as we go through Thursday, so feeling much colder out there. But as I say, we are expecting a good deal of dry and bright weather from Friday onwards. Now, in the meantime, for the rest of tonight, well, it's dry at the moment. We've got clear skies. That's allowed those temperatures to tumble, so a widespread frost out there. Very cold tonight. Temperatures below freezing away from the towns and cities. And then you can see here we do have this rain right across the south and out towards the west. Now, there is the chance, could be the odd wintry flurry, but it looks like for us most of that will be falling as rain, but it's going to be a cold start to the day tomorrow morning. A lot of clouds and patchy rain on and off. Look, we'll start to improve from the north as we go through the afternoon. A bit of brightness developing across parts of Kent. But as I say, breezier tomorrow and feeling chilly. Highs there anywhere between 4 and perhaps up to 7 degrees along the coast. And then looking further ahead, well, this system does eventually move out of the way, and you can see it's looking pretty quiet as we go through Friday and into Saturday. We are expecting a good amount of sunshine across the region, but it certainly is going to be feeling very cold indeed. Hello there. Well, it's a cold and a frosty start to the day for many of us this Hello there. Well, it's a cold and a frosty start to the day for many of us this morning, but you can see here plenty of sunshine across the country. Might just be the odd shower this afternoon, but for most of us it's a fine and dry day, quite breezy and feeling chilly. Wrap up warm, expecting highs between 2 and 5 degrees.